Hi guys, Kat here. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna make some tea leaf salad. Tea leaf salad is a Burmese salad. If you never had it, and if you ever go to a Burmese restaurant and you see it on the menu, I totally recommend that you give it a try. It's delicious. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make it tonight. This is my first time making it, but the ingredients seem simple enough, so this is how it's made. Okay. First of all, you're gonna need some tea leaves. Okay, and it came in a packet like this. Pretty sure if you look at online, you can probably order some online, or check your local Asian grocery store. Okay, so you need tea leaves. Comes in a bag like this, and what you want to do is open up the bag, and you want to rinse it in cold water. These are the tea leaves. So you want to rinse this in cold water several times because it comes kind of bitter. So to get rid of the bitterness, rinse it in cold water several times, and this is what you end up with. Rinse it in cold water, squeeze out all the water, and this is what you got. Okay, so this is tea leaf. So from this, you want to blend half of it like this. This is the paste or the dressing that's going to go in the tea leaf salad. Okay, so it's tea leaves, fresh cloves of garlic, some fish sauce, granulated chicken bouillon, olive oil, and black pepper. That's all that this is. Just like that, and blend it up. Okay, and you need some nuts. This is double fried beans. Okay, this is what it looks like in the bag, out of the bag. So there, it's like broad beans, deep fried. It's got some peanuts, some sesame oil. I mean, not sesame oil, sesame seeds. Okay, roasted, fried. Okay, and you can just, by this itself, that's good enough. But I like to add more nuts to it. So I actually roasted some more sliced almonds, some more peanuts, sesame seeds, some more sesame seed, and some, I don't know if you can see, sunflower seeds. Yeah, so these are the nuts that I'm going to add to it as well. And some chili peppers, optional if you want it spicy. Add this, if not, just leave it out. You need some chopped tomatoes, onions if you like onions, okay? And for the salad, I'm using romaine salad. Just chop them up really small like this, okay? But you can use regular iceberg lettuce. You can use cabbage in place of it. Okay, so that's all the ingredients that you're gonna need, and all we need to do is just mix this in a bowl. Okay, so I got my bowl. I'm gonna toss my salads in here. Do it all. Why not? This is one head of romaine lettuce. Okay, then we're gonna add some of our tea leaves. Not too much because we already got some in the dressing or paste, so just like that, that's good. Adding the nuts. Broad beans, fried beans. Okay, I'm gonna add my chili. I want it, that's a little kick. About 3 chilies there. Tomato and onions. Okay. And we got our paste. Okay. And then we're going to mix and toss until all this is thoroughly mixed, okay? So this salad is nutty. It's got a little bit of tanginess, a little bit of the umami flavor. And voila, Burmese tea leaf salad. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Okay. I'm using a chopstick. Very nutty. Has a hint of bitter from the leaves, tea leaves. Crunchy, savory. Delicious. full of flavor, guys. Delicious. I also forgot I added some cilantro in there, so it's very refreshing as well. All right, guys. I hope you will give this recipe a try. If you ever find a pack of tea leaves in your Asian grocery store, or if you ever come across a bag of tea leaves. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.